Thanks for checking out the Z-Flick poles. These are a folding adjustable pole that enables bike packers, canoeists, and any non-trekking pole hikers to use the X-Mid tents and pretty much any other trekking pole tent. Now with these poles, we didn't want to just make kind of another pretty good folding pole. We wanted to really dig into the basics, the first principles, and try to make something that's actually better. And I think we succeeded. These poles, they're awesome. These are, so check this out, these are the lightest adjustable poles on the market. These are the only folding poles that use this external flick style adjuster. These are also the stiffest poles at anywhere near this weight, and they are the most widely compatible poles. They work with almost any tent. Tips up, handles up, different heights. So they're extremely widely compatible. They're also super high quality, and of course they're compact to just 12 inches. So how do we accomplish that? So instead of using tent pole tubing like a lot of these poles, that's easy to get, but it's designed to flex, or just off-the-shelf carbon fiber tubing, what we did is we reached out to an awesome factory who builds carbon fiber trekking poles and avalanche probes for Black Diamond, MSR, G3. We work with them to look at wall thickness, different diameters, and really figure out what's optimal for a pole like this. And we come up with 12 millimeters for the main sections, which is a little bit thicker. It's usually about 9.5 to 11.5, and that lets it be both stiffer and lighter. So these are as I said, the lightest adjustable poles on the market at just 88 grams, and they're also incredibly stiff. And then for the adjuster, a lot of poles aren't adjustable at all. They'll just be a fixed length, and that works okay, but the height you need is going to vary because the pitch is going to vary depending on the ground and how you pitch it, and different tents vary in height. So having a pole that's adjustable just really allows you to dial things in and use it for all sorts of different tents. Now within the realm of adjusters, you've got twist locks that work not bad, but they're a little more finicky, and they're not as easy to adjust. And there's some pin style ones that again work okay, but they're not continuously adjustable. They're just in kind of pin increments. So with the flick style adjusters, we have the easiest to use and continuously adjustable. On top of that, the external flick style adjusters enable a really cool trick, and that is that you can flip over the upper sections to have different styles of tips on these poles. So you can open the flick style adjuster, and you've got one tip that is kind of a pointier tip for tip up tents, and then the other one is a blunt tip for handles up tents. So you can put whichever end into the flick style adjuster, and then the other end is up, so it can work with almost any tents. So as a result of coming up with this tubing and using this different improved adjuster, we've come up with a pole. It's just 88 grams. So most poles in this class are somewhere between 95 and 120 grams. This is the lightest adjustable pole in the market as far as I'm aware. It's the only pole with these flick style adjusters that are so much nicer. It's also, I think, the stiffest pole at anywhere near this weight. It's incredibly high quality. The adjusters and the way it all fits together is just quite a bit higher precision than typically what you're going to see. And it's also compact. It's just 12 inches, so it's really handy for bike packers and other people who just need a compact pole. So thanks for checking them out, and we'll see you on the trail.